Okay, welcome back. This is Jesse Clark. This is episode number 2 of the 52 that I promised you in the year 2018. Last week we talked about finding free images online to save lots of money so you don't have to purchase them and they're copyright free. Today I'm going to show you how can you create your own graphics without having to hire somebody or without having to spend a lot of time and money on purchasing the software. Remember, I run my entire business on free and affordable resources, and so can you. So, getting right into it, we are going to be talking about a program called Canva, and it is wonderful. I use it all the time, and you do not have to hire somebody or spend a lot of time to make your own graphics if you use this program. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. All right, you can see here that I am on canva.com. Now, like I said, this program is so cool. I've used it a lot of times. You can see here's all my archived projects that I have done. This is the last thumbnail I created for the last YouTube video. So we get right into it. Of course, you're going to create an account. I'm already logged in, but you can go in and create an account. When you get into the back end here, you're just going to go to Find Templates. And this is the cool part. You can search for something here, but you can also go down and find any type of thing you want. And so for example, I just want to create a Facebook cover so I can put on my Facebook banner on my Facebook page. You're going to click on it and voila, and I'm going to start editing. So you can click in here and adjust the text. You can move stuff around. For the sake of time, I'm going to just do this. So you can use this image or you can go and upload your own images. So if you found an image from, let's say, unsplash.com from the tutorial last week, you could just go choose that image and put it right in here. So I'm just going to search. They have paid and free images, but there are a lot. So I just typed in city, since I use city a lot for some reason. And here's what's cool. How do I move this around? I can go up here to arrange and move back like this. I can even click on this background and choose the transparency of it. So there's a lot of different things you can do for this. When you're all done, all you have to do is you can share it, of course, or you can download it. So you would go in and download PNG recommended, stick with that. You can download it and then you can go into your Facebook and actually upload it and use that as you want. That is it. This is called Canva. Now, in the description below, you're going to be able to find different resources that I provided for you, different photo editing softwares. I won't overwhelm you, but I'm going to add just a few just so you can kind of get a feel of what's out there. But if you have a little bit of time and you have a small budget, you don't want to hire somebody, use Canva to create some of your graphics. You'll really love it. If you liked this, go ahead and give me a like and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll be back next week and hopefully I'll be able to save you some more money, give you some more ideas. Thanks.